Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, let us see how we can include and exclude option in Power BI. Okay, in order to use these options, we should have to have some data set. Okay, at first I am trying to add subcategory. Okay, subcategory sales and region. Okay, and now I am trying to take stacked column chart. Okay, I have just clicked on this stacked column chart so that you will be able to see. Okay, this include and exclude is nothing but when you want to compare something with some other thing. Okay, you should have to show up, right, in order to compare. Show up whatever bars you want. Okay, so as of now I am trying to compare west versus south. Okay, I am trying to compare how many sales have been done. Okay, when compared with west. Okay, so in order to do this we should have to do three simple steps. Okay, at first you should have to click on west. Okay, as you are trying to do this. Okay, this is the first step. Okay, you should have to do it carefully, otherwise you won't be able to get this include and exclude options. Okay, the step one is just try to click on the first one. Okay, first entity, whichever you wanted to compare. Okay, I'm just trying to click on this west. Okay, then click on control. Okay, in your keyboard. Okay, and select the second one. Okay, whatever you wanted to compare. Okay, west versus south, right? So now once you select this west, then click on control and then click on this orange one. Okay, orange, then just remove the finger on the control. Okay, now go to the west option and click on right click. Okay, now only you will be able to get include option. Okay, these are the two entities you wanted to compare, so that was the reason I have selected only two things. One is west and another one is south. Okay, now I am just trying to click on this include option. Okay, so you have got two tables, right? One is west and another is south. Okay, this is how you should have to do this include option. Okay, you can see here subcategory is phones and region is west and sum of sales is 98. Okay, and similarly like subcategory for tables, region is south. As I told you, we are trying to compare sales by region. Okay, west versus south. That was the reason you have got this. Okay, now I am just doing the control check. Okay, this is how you can do include. Okay, now I will show you how to do exclude. Okay, vice versa, that's it, but you should have to just click on the exclude option in this. Okay, so now I am trying to do this. Okay, I'm trying to exclude central and east. Okay, at first you should have to click on this central from this graph. Okay, I'm just clicking on this central and then east, as I told you. Okay, I'm just trying to let me click on east. Okay, dark blue, and then just click on this control. Okay, and then east, sorry, central. Now I will again go to east and click on this and right click. Okay, then I will just click on this exclude, so that central and east will be removed from the graph. Okay, from the visualization. Exclude. Okay, so this is how you can just do that. Okay, let me check once again. So let me do it once again for you. East, so that you will be able to understand. Okay, so likewise you can just exclude the options. Okay, now I am trying to include. Okay, this one, let me do once again for you. I'm trying to do south. Okay. Yeah. So in exclude, it is showing up. Okay. It is showing up, and it is trying to compare. Okay. The visualization will be shown. Okay. For exclude option, mostly we will be using this include option. Okay. In include, you will be able to see the complete visualization in the separate, but in exclude you can see in the same visualization, but in the bottom rows only you will be able to see this exclude. Okay. Whenever, okay, mostly we will be using include. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for you. I request you to please subscribe and like our videos. Okay, if you like, and please support us. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.